Welcome to Toon Tracks Racing. Today, we have the Matchbox Bugatti Divo going up against the Hot Wheels Koenigsegg Jesko. And yes, that is how you pronounce it. It's a Swedish car. Special thank you to our sponsor, JLHcrafts.com Racing. For your diecast racing accessory needs, be sure to check out their store, linked in the description below. This series will be a best of 5. After each race, the cars will switch lanes. Be sure to hit like and subscribe so you do not miss any future races here at Toon Tracks Racing. So without further ado, let's get things started. The cars are up at the starting grid. The Divo is in lane 1, and the Jesko is in lane 2, and they're off. They're going head to head, heading into the curve. It looks like the Jesko has the lead, but here comes the Bugatti Divo! And the Bugatti Divo overtakes the Koenigsegg Jesko with an 8:36 time, and the Divo jumps out front for the series lead, 1-0. Looking at the replay, you can see the Bugatti Divo sort of creeping up, and then the Koenigsegg Jesko coming down the home stretch, finally overtakes him and grabs the win, and he stuns the Koenigsegg Jesko in the first race of the series. Getting right back at it for race 2. The cars have switched lanes with the Jesko in lane 1, the Divo in lane 2, and they're off. And once again, head-to-head going around the curve. But here comes the Koenigsegg Jesko exploding out of the curve, grabbing their first victory with an 8:13 time. And the series is now all tied up at 1 race apiece. Both these hypercars are getting great starts. And you can see the Bugatti Divo had the lead going around the curve. But then the Koenigsegg Jesko simply overtakes them, blows him out of the water, and grabs the victory and ties the series up at 1 race apiece. And this time it's the Bugatti Divo who was stunned. So race 3 is getting set to go off. Who will grab the series lead? Let's find out. They're waiting for the green light to go, and there they go. Neck and neck once more, going around the curve. The Koenigsegg Jesko with the lead, but here comes the Bugatti Divo applying the pressure. The Koenigsegg Jesko slams into the wall, but still manages to grab the win with an 8:15 time, and he will jump out to a 2-1 series lead. The Jesko heard the Divo's footsteps creeping up from behind, manages to stave off his attack, and grabs the win. So the Jesko is now up 2 races to 1. All he needs is one more victory to grab victory for today. The cars are set, and as usual, change lanes, and once again, it's even come around the bend. The Bugatti Divo with the lead, but here comes the Koenigsegg Jesko, and the Jesko grabs the victory with an 8:16 time, slamming into the wall after the finish line, but he doesn't care. He has just walked away with the victory, winning this series 3 races to 1. What a job by the Jesko, and the Divo gave it everything he had, but just didn't have enough on this very day to take the Koenigsegg Jesko out. And who knows what would happen if these two giants raced again. So congratulations once again to the Koenigsegg Jesko with a 3-1 win, as he soaks in the champagne and the applause for a job well done. And another special thank you to NZ Racing. He was kind enough to send these 2 cars in for our son Jason to race. We cannot thank you enough. And as always, a special thank you to JLHcrafts.com Racing, our sponsor, for helping make this possible. We hope you enjoyed this racing series, and be sure to hit like and subscribe. It would really help us out. And we will see you guys here soon at Toon Tracks Racing. See you on the track.